Rich here with the Confederation Log and Timber Frame YouTube channel, and I'm standing in front of a client's house set to go to Alberta, Canada. Want to see how we got here? I'll show you in this video. It all starts with a plan, meticulously done between yourself and our design center. We take each aspect of your design inside and out and marry it through sketches as well as the full blueprint drawings. Once those are approved, we set it up in production, where everything is mapped out to be cut meticulously by hand and machine. Even the electrical is mapped out and pre-drilled at time of manufacture. Next is the key ingredient, the logs. Each log is cut from a single tree in Northern Ontario, grown for over 100 years. Then it's profiled and brought into our production facility where each one is hand-selected and numbered to go in the perfect spot into your home. Next, your house is pre-programmed and then cut and drilled in our computerized saw and drilling system. Once the log is cut and drilled, it's brought over to this machine that was customized just to cut our Confederation dovetail nearly 50 years ago. Lastly, each log is then pre-assembled into place so that you, the client, can come in for an inspection, as well as our entire craftsman team check each log for complete fit and finish. Finally, each log is dismantled and packaged into lifts, ready to be delivered and reassembled at your job site. And that's it. See how easy that was? If this sparks some questions or you'd like to talk about your build specifically, please either comment or email us directly from our website, and make sure you like and subscribe for future videos.